Once I have my part of the picture that I want selected, now I need to go through and do some editing on how the selection works out. Because right now these lines are pretty harsh on the selection. So if I was to edit this, it'd be a very dramatic um, difference in values or colors or whatever I do to it. If I was to copy and move this, it would be again a very harsh border around it. So what we do once we have this all selected, if you're under one of your selection tools, this option up here is going to pop up, the select and mask option. You're going to click that, and you're going to get some different options over here. As you can see, it's singling out my selection here. Here I can feather out the selection. So if you look all on the edge here, do you see how it kind of feathers out a little bit? That makes it look more of a natural selection instead of this really hard, crisp line. You want it to be not, super far up, but just a little bit so it softens that line. You can smooth out how your lines look a little bit. You can shift your edges to go out a couple points or shift them in if you need to. Again, it just depends on what you're editing and what you're doing. Do our contrast, it's going to change, how dark my feather is. So I think this looks pretty decent. I'll go with this. I'll smooth out a little bit. Right. And then once I have that all selected, I hit OK. So now I have the selection feathered, I have it smoothed out. So now from here is when I would want to go in and really do a lot of editing on it, or do a movement of this or a transformation of this if need be.